You are welcome to India to ride with us.
欢迎您来到印度与我们同行。
欢迎来到中国找我们玩。
Welcome to the Chinese president.
So this is fun. This is a lot of fun translating on the go. As XBHP, we had already done over 50 countries on some of the world's best superbikes and sometimes supercars too. Before the start of this odyssey from India all the way to Singapore and beyond to Sri Lanka via Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Malaysia. And this would be a total of 15,000 kilometers in 90 days for a total of 11 countries. And we would be doing this on a homegrown Bajaj Dominar 400s. Not only that, there will be 11 riders who will be joining us in different legs of this odyssey. But you have to see all the vlogs one by one to find out who they were. We were greeted by this beautiful view on our last day in Thailand. We were sitting on the banks of Mekong River in Thailand, and from our hotel window, we could see Laos just across the river. Right, so this hotel which I am in right now is actually Thailand, and across the river, the Mekong River, is Laos. And today we are going to enter Laos.
मेरी ज़िंदगी में फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा हुआ है कि जहाँ से एक देश से दूसरे देश को देख सकते हो। वैसे नदी पार करके जा सकते हैं पकड़ ली कि पुलिस बिना वीज़ा के चेक फिर वहाँ जाऊँगा तो फिर वापस नहीं आ पाऊँगा। मज़ा आया यार। आज सुबह सुबह जब मैं उठा था वीडियो एडिट करने के लिए और ऐसे सनराइज़ होता हुआ मैंने देखा है यहाँ से, और सन बिल्कुल ठीक वहाँ से निकला था। काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा था देख के, और बहुत सारे दिमाग में थॉट्स आ रहे थे कि यार कहाँ से निकले थे, कहाँ पहुँच गए। थैंक यू गॉड। ये बैग ना मेरे को बड़ा सही लगा, कार्बोनाडो का, बहुत मजबूत है यार। ये लैपटॉप तो एकदम सेफ़ है इसके अंदर। बाइक राइडिंग कर रहे हो और आपके पास ये बैग है तो सब सेफ़ है। कितने फ्रेंडली आदमी हैं।
You see this one?
Yes. Oh, what is this?
License plate from our guests.
Okay.
When they go back home, they send it to us.
Oh, I could see there are boats also. We can go to boat, right?
Yeah, you can go to Luang Prabang.
Okay.
Luang Prabang is a World Heritage in town.
Okay.
It's recognized by UNESCO.
Okay.
So it's a good place to go. I think you're planning to go to there.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So final few kilometers in Thailand, leg 1 of XBHP Dominar Great Asian Odyssey. We are in Chiang Khong right now in Thailand. We will be entering Laos in some time. The border is just 4, 5 or I think 7 kilometers from here. So excited and a bit nervous as well because of the border crossing. It is always anxious moment for us whenever we are at the border and there is a lot of paperwork that needs to be done.
There is a distinct change in the languages also. I mean, a lot of places I can see other languages besides Thai, I think. But in Laos, they mostly speak Thai. I mean, it's a version of Thai only. So the border control is on the left, and just across the Mekong River is Laos. So this is the Chiang Khong boundary post where we will be emigrating. That's a nice BMW. Police. Okay. Departure. So what's gonna happen now?
So we are here at the Thailand immigration on the border of Thailand and Laos. This place looks empty. There's hardly anyone except us. Okay, so we are officially out of Thailand, except just one thing, customs check. So the officer has gone for the lunch, and meanwhile we'll say goodbye to Chum and Bal. So Chambal, yeah. So these are guides, and he was riding that Jeep Cherokee, okay, as our escort vehicle. So thank you guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Khap kun krap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good trip.
Alright, so we are now going towards Laos, and we have successfully emigrated from Thailand and now going over to the border across to Laos. We enter Laos from Thailand from the Chiang Khong Hue Xai border, which was a very relaxed border point located in the mountains. Our exit from Thailand was smooth, but entry into Laos turned out to be very time consuming and problematic as well. So it's still Thailand, and part of it might be a no man's land. And now you are again riding on the right. This is quite incredible. You are again riding on the right. This is the Lao Thai Friendship Bridge. The Mekong River is what divides Laos and Thailand on this border, and we have kind of, I think, crossed over to Laos, but the immigration is yet to happen, which will happen over there. Arrival is here. So visa on arrival, we do it from there.
यहाँ का अभी प्रोसेस पूरा डन हो चुका है. वीज़ा का स्टैम्प जो है ना यहाँ का, देखें आप, सबसे कूल, सबसे अच्छा वीज़ा स्टैम्प जो लगा मुझे वो लाओ का लगा. मतलब क्या फिनिशिंग है, मज़ा आ गया. ऐसा होना चाहिए वीज़ा. अभी मेरे ख्याल से एक प्रोसेस और बचा है, उसके बाद वी आर गुड टू गो.
So we have got the Laotian visa, and now we're going to go and cross the border post, and I think there will be some formalities for the bike as well. Let's see if we run into any trouble. Right, so the moment of truth. Another red light, another stop, and there's a friendship bridge number 4, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand. Getting the visa on arrival in Laos was super easy, but we had to spend a lot of time talking to the customs officials because of the language barrier. Also, we had to pay some bribe, around 500 Thai baht per bike, to the tourist police, as they won't let us go without it, and we didn't want to waste more time arguing with them. And language is going to be an issue in Laos, as we do not have a tour guide or an escort here, as it is not mandatory to have one. So we are going to Luang Namtha, which is 176 kilometers from here, and it took us quite a while to clear immigrations. So this is a Laotian village, and I think the school has just gotten over, and most of the women here, they wear a traditional long kind of a gown, or like half sari, which is very unique to Laos, is what I read somewhere. and I can see some of the school children also wearing that. And of course you ride on the right side here. So Myanmar was right, Thailand was left, Laos is right. The roads are nice so far in here in Laos, and despite this being very close to the border, the roads are quite nice. So I'm expecting that the road quality will continue like this at least. And now it's going to be the mountains pretty much throughout till the first city of Luang Namtha. The sun will set in around an hour. It's beautiful houses.
ओके, यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक छोटे से पानी ब्रेक के लिए रुका गया था और 5 मिनट में पूरा गांव आ गया था। सब बच्चे इकट्ठे हो गए थे और सब यहाँ पर हाय हेलो करते हैं। अरे 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 फीस लोग अच्छे मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
Luang Namtha in Laos, and this place looks very similar to India. Like if you bring someone and leave him or her on this road, he or she wouldn't be able to find out whether he's in India or some other country. मजे की बात ये है कि अभी we don't have the guide in this country. So, and language, like everywhere else, is a big issue here. तो खाना ढूंढना अपने आप में एक चैलेंज होने वाला है.
So this is the city of Luang Namtha in Laos, and we just came here last night. Couldn't see much of it, but the city looks beautiful. We don't have much time here to explore. So Laos, like the Myanmar, is a very raw and rustic, unexplored, uncommercialized place, but there are a lot of tourists here, backpackers mostly, who come here, and the Luang Namtha is also the base for many treks that go into the mountains. A lot of people use this city as the base for their trekking.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम लाओस, लॉन्ग नामथा। आज XBHP डोमिनार ग्रेट एशियन ओडिसी का मेरा लास्ट राइड है। इसके बाद मैं अपने घर को, लेकिन XBHP की राइड चलती रहेगी। इनकी राइड जाएगी सिंगापुर तक, फिर उसके बाद में श्रीलंका, एंड सो गो ऑन। इनका चलते रहता है। अपना यहाँ पर स्टॉप हो जाएगा। वैसे तैयार है, आज थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना ज़रूरी है। आज की जर्नी थोड़ी लंबी है और रोड सीधे सीधे नहीं है, ऐसे घुमा फिरा हुआ सांप वाले रोड है। हमेशा रात में पहुँचने में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, आज दिन में पहुँचने की कोशिश है।
Good morning from Luang Namtha in Laos. Today we are going to Luang Prabang, which is a big city here and also a major tourist destination. Right now we're going to fill the petrol
कब से है? अब इस पेट्रोल पंप पे दिक्कत पता है क्या है, यहाँ पर डीजल लिखा हुआ है लेकिन यहाँ पेट्रोल लिखा हुआ नहीं है, ये रेगुलर लिखा हुआ है। तो यहाँ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था हमें कि पेट्रोल है कि क्या है, तो कंफर्म करके पता चला कि रेगुलर मतलब पेट्रोल है। मिलियनियर कितना दिया आपने? पौने 3 लाख किप का पेट्रोल। इंडिया इंडिया इंडिया, भारत माता की जय। या You never been to India? No? Beautiful country. Come. You will enjoy. Thank you. Kop chai. Kop chai.
Small accident. Oh my god. Okay. So we are riding through some villages here in Luang Namtha. This is going to be quite interesting. Narrow roads and the village life, so to say. And a lot of Chinese funded projects are here or in collaboration with Chinese, I might say. And I believe on the left there are Chinese, most of them, especially the engineers who are working here. And I've heard that there are a lot of such big projects in Laos which are happening because of China investing here. And that is the reason why you can see a lot of Chinese signboards here everywhere.
So finally we found something in Laos that is worth shooting, and it's a local market on the way to Luang Prabang from Luang Namtha. The road is pretty much like the foothills of Himalaya, like when you start climbing towards Shimla from Chandigarh or that side, when the hills start.
Alright, so we found these gentlemen in the middle of the highway. They are from China.
我告诉你，在高速公路中间找到了这些先生们。
So whatever I'm speaking, it is translating to them. It was very nice to meet you.
很高兴见到你。
Let's to meet you too 很高兴遇见你们，和他们过别了啊。
How fast do you ride on this bike?
在他们的 Facebook 直播我们。
您骑这辆自行车多快？
80迈，80迈。
The photon is slow.
The bike is slow. So basically the photon is slow, it translated. But this is actually a very nice thing. It's quite unbelievable. So I want to say something in the end to him. You are welcome to India to ride with us.
欢迎您来到印度与我们同行。
Welcome to China， China， 欢迎来到中国找我们玩。
Welcome to the Chinese president.
So this is fun. This is a lot of fun translating on the go. All the best. Please carry on.
喂
一切顺利，请继续。
，You too，You too，You too，You
Okay. Thank you.
too。Thank you，Thank you，Hello，Thank you，Hello。
Okay.
Hello。
Usually people buy big and expensive bikes to do a ride like the XPHP Dominar Great Asian Odyssey. But with Dominar 400, we never felt like we needed a more expensive or a powerful bike to complete this ride, no matter what the riding conditions were. And with the Dominar 250, Bajaj has made this performance even more value for money. At a price tag starting 1.6 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi, the Dominar 250 is already a value for money entry-level sports tourer motorcycle that you can buy to kickstart your touring life. And you can visit your nearest Bajaj dealership to find out more lucrative financing options to buy the Dominar 250. For now, let's get back to the Odyssey.
Wow, look at all those Chinese flags. Look at this. I don't remember when last I've seen another country's flag like this around the roads. Interesting. It's very interesting.
This country is beautiful, but the entire scenery has been damaged by these electric wires, these transmission lines, because you cannot get a clear view of the mountains from anywhere to click picture. Maybe you have to go take a detour and go off-road to get some better shots.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Yawaz Alim Khan. Welcome to XBHP Dominar Great Asian Odyssey Ride. Well, अभी हम लोग हैं लाओ में. मेरी राइड शुरू हुई थी म्यांमार में और ख़त्म हो रही है लाओ पे. इस बीच का जो एक्सपीरियंस है मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. बहुत मन कर रहा है. राइड शुरू हुई थी म्यांमार से. म्यांमार में हम लोगों ने थाईलैंड में एंटर किया और जो एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा वो फर्स्ट टाइम था कि आप एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री बाय रोड जा रहे हैं. बाय रोड से ज़्यादा मैं कहना चाहूँगा बजाज डोमिनार 400 पे जा रहे हैं. अलग एक्सपीरियंस था. बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखा और समझा. पहले मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये बाइक कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, थोड़ी तकलीफ़ होगी, हाथ दुखेगा, बैक पेन करेगा, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. और मैं शॉक हो गया कि यार इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कैसे कर रही है बाइक. ओके, सिर्फ बाइक नहीं, बाइक के ऊपर अगर आप देखेंगे पैनियर्स भी है, टॉप बॉक्स भी है, टैंक बैग भी है, टेल बैग भी है, फुल ऑन लोडेड है. और मैं खुद 80 किलो का और ये सामान मिला के कम से कम 110 किलो तो होंगे. और उतने वेट के साथ में जब हम कॉर्नरिंग करते हैं तो डर होता है कि कहीं बाइक डिसबैलेंस ना हो जाए, लेकिन बाइक एकदम प्रॉपर बैलेंस थी और कॉर्नरिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस मिल रहा था. क्यों, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. टायर है हमारे MRF रेवजी, जिसका हमने बहुत अच्छा यूज़ किया. देखो अभी हम लोग फंक्शन कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा हार्ट, हमारा ब्लड सही से चल रहा है. बाइक की इंजन उसका हार्ट होता है और जो इंजन ऑयल होता है उसका ब्लड होता है. इसमें है कैस्ट्रोल पावर 1, जिसकी वजह से इंजन का टेम्परेचर एकदम नॉर्मल है. पहाड़ों में चला रहे हैं, बाइक ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं हुई और बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे रही है बाइक. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, द बजाज डोमिनार. ये ना मैंने हमेशा से जब भी देखा है लोग बाहर की बाइक लेके राइड करता है, जैसे लाइक UK की हो गई, जापानीज़ बाइक हो गई, जर्मन बाइक हो गई, लेकिन ये अपने भारत देश की बाइक. और इन्होंने ये बाइक ने प्रूव कर दिया कि ये भी वर्ल्ड राइड कर सकती है. अमेजिंग बाइक यार, बहुत मज़ा आया चलाने में. बट मेरा लाओ में आखिरी राइड है, तो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर XBHP. और XBHP के साथ राइड करने में मेरे को एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिला, बिकॉज़ मैं जिस कल्चर में राइड करता हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ या फिर कोई अगर प्रॉपर कोई ट्रिप ऑर्गेनाइज़ करता है उनके साथ जाता हूँ. बट यहाँ पर हर दिन कुछ नया था, हर दिन कुछ अलग हुआ, अलग एक्सपीरियंस था. तो सो फार सो गुड, सब बढ़िया हुआ. आई होप आप लोगों को मेरा वाला पार्ट अच्छा लगा होगा XBHP के साथ. एंड आशा करता हूँ कि और ज़िंदगी में हम ऐसे ही मिलते रहें, कोलैब करते रहें. बस इतना ही. थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग पार्ट ऑफ डे. आई सी यू सून ऑन द नेक्स्ट राइड. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, खुदा हाफिज़. Live your life, live your dream. Boom.
We had a lot of fun riding with Salim, but like everything else, this too had to come to an end. But this was also the beginning of our discovery of this beautiful country, Laos. It is one of the most mountainous countries in the world. and one of the most beautiful countries that we have visited on this ride, with a lot of greenery and smiling faces everywhere.